Okay, part two. Let's go see what I was hearing last night. I went down the left side. Now let's go down here. We've been getting a lot of rain lately. This fence falling over. Okay. Neighbor dog. This fence is about to just break apart. They don't want me doing no fixing, so whatever. Let's take a look around here. Okay. See, there's that little window. That one, that's the bathroom window. And I was hearing oh my God, there's stuff growing in my gutters. There was a lot of noise happening back here all night long till daytime. When I went out earlier, it was morning. Now it's going on 5 something. This looks like it's been trampled down, doesn't it? This is where it was. This is where it was. This has been trampled down. Look at that. Yeah, this was not like this. I can reference other videos. I didn't see that this morning. I literally just woke up and hadn't had much sleep. But this is where it happened. This is where it was trampled down at. See if I can get a good... Yeah, something went through here. Because these are pulled up. I'm showing you what I'm seeing. These are pulled up and pushed out of the way. Look, it's hard to, there's mosquitoes out here. But yeah, this is where it happened. This is where whatever that big noise was, this is the area. And it went through here. If you see anything that looks like tracks, tag it in the video. I hope everybody knows how to put a timestamp on a comment. But yeah, this is it right here. Let me see here. Do we have any other trampled areas? No, this is not one. See, what I'm looking at is these bushes are intact, okay? If you look, this could be considered like a trailway if you don't know what you're looking at, because it's less dense right here. However, okay, hold on. No, that's old. I'm looking at that right there, but if you look at the way the wood looks, you can see that that's old. This break, that's an old break. Okay. But if you look here, it's got some broken branches, but the greenery right here is all intact. And if you look over here, you've got broken branches and the greenery is pushed away. Right now, I'm thinking deer at this point. Hell, maybe even a cow, but I don't see any big hoof prints. You know, there have been cows back here. The fence gets knocked over somehow over there. There's cow pasture on the other side of the cemetery. But I don't see any hoof prints. They're big, they leave marks. And they're pretty obvious. But this looks like it's all been pushed down and the greenery is gone. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, well, let's just continue on. Not tomatoes, but still, that works. This looks like it could be used as a pass, but the greenery is in the way. So I don't think so. But it looks like it could be a trail. There's one over there. Deer path over there. It's really hard to... That right there, right in there, deer path. But it hadn't been used in a little bit. So, yep, here we are, haunted church, haunted house, haunted cemetery. Yeah, I took a little video earlier. I'll probably name it part 1, part 2. That was from earlier today. Okay, thanks everybody. Keeping it quantum. Out of here. Bye-bye.